Yo, so here's what I got. This game got updated, and I'm actually gonna try this game because it updated, and yeah, it updated, and I want to try it out because yes. So they're not big dogs. Hold on, I'm gonna check it. I'm gonna check it. I'm gonna check it. Hold on. I'll show it on the screen. Hold on. Okay, hold on. Let me go to the Discord. Okay, I'm on the Discord and hold on, hold on. It's lagging and oh my god. I lost connection of the game. I'm so sorry. I lost connection. I lost connection. Oh my gosh. Lost connection. I lost connection. Let's go. I like the game so much. The update log will be on the screen. Uh, yeah. Editor, put it, please. Never mind. I'm the editor. I don't know why, but I don't know why I said that. I'm literally the editor. This video because I don't really have an editor because I don't have um I don't have guys to edit for me. Yes. I am literally a free newbie. I'm a free guy. I don't I edit my own videos. I'm a Sigma Giga child though. I edit my own videos. While they edit theirs. While they need editors. But me, I don't need editors, yo. I do not need editors. Cause me, I'm a bit different. Me is a bit different, so I really don't animators. I don't really need animators. Ding a dum a dum a da de dum de sheda. Da la long a de. Da la long a de. Ding a dum a da de dum sheda. Okay, so the game updated and I already tried it, but I haven't posted the video because I was gonna post the video until I got too lazy and delete the video because I didn't want it to record and post it. Then I recorded and I basically didn't record. Moving all of the bolt pistol finisher and dual flash strike finisher. You are I'm gonna show it to you guys. So first off is bolt uppercut. Hold on. Here. See, there's ano July, VFX, like this game gotta be the best. This game has gotta be the best MG game or not because there's Fatal Combat and more. There's some games that have Shinji. This is the finisher of Dual Flash Strikes. Yeah. Bold and more. Well, my brother won't join, so I can't really showcase the temporal reflex. Temporal reflex is a counter, so I can't really. Wait, no. That's embarrassing my roster. They call me the answer. Hey, not a liar. They do what I desire. They call me the desire. Hey, bad little bitch, giving me knowledge. Shorty so fine, she goes to college. Me and the boys go balling, never falling on his holly. Hey, stuck in a stitch with some bitch, all going out and off. That's a struggle, but I try my own problems and face. Wow, that's fire. Oh yeah, bro. Alright, my buddy is here, so I'm just gonna showcase the temporal reflex. Temporal reflex is a counter, so yeah. Oh my god, I forgot it's a Reverbrand Cry. It's time stop move, so yeah. It's a time stop move. So I can't really argue about it because it's a time stop move. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Yo! Oh! Oh! That's so good. That's literally so good. No, that's actually very good. No, that's good. That's good. That's so good, bro. It's so good. Oh my gosh. I didn't know temporal reflex was that good. Anyways, this is the end of the video, guys. So there's no gameplay really. I won't go to Publix because I'm literally bored. So I won't go to Publix. So bye. Bye.